Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a roasted cauliflower. So here I have a whole cauliflower. So I'm just going to trim this up and I'm going to take it through the process. I just have a couple of bit of fresh ingredients. I mix up some all-purpose inside here. And here I have some garlic and some fresh thyme. So I'm going to take it through the process. Sit back, relax, do enjoy this video. So at the moment, I'm just going to cut some thyme up. So I have some fresh thyme here I'm going to use. So I'll be using 2 cloves of garlic here. So I'm just chopping these up. Next up, I'm going to use some pink Himalaya salt. So I'm just going to put it on this. So I'm just using the knife to press the garlic out a little bit. Yeah, so that's how I'm doing it. So help to get them pureed a little bit. So next up is, I have some season here, which I made up like pimento berry, paprika, and a bit of all-purpose. So we're going to add this in the bowl. And we're going to put a little bit of ginger in this also. I'm going to put some oil in this. Just put some oil of your choice in this. So we're going to set this aside now. And then we're going to work on our cauliflower. Very simple and easy. So with our cauliflower, all I'm going to do is just to cut some of the bits off here. So we want it to sit just like this because we're going to put this straight in the oven. So we're going to put this on a tray. It's a simple baking tray. I'm going to put this on. So what I'm going to do now is, the marinade you put, we're going to sprinkle him all over. So we're just going to turn him. Make sure you get some marinade and season all over. We're going to get our hand, rub him, just to get everything seasoned properly in here. Make sure everything nice and ready. So at the moment, the oven is about 180 degrees. So I'm going to put him straight in now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut this garlic in half. I'm just going to put some oil on that. And this, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this. So I'm just going to put them on the same tray with the cauliflower. And I'm going to turn them down because I want them kind of roast a little bit, you know what I mean? So this almost ready. Just give him a little bit more oil just to keep him moist over the top. And just a touch more salt over it. So the cauliflower is out the oven now, but I want to transfer it on a plate. Just be gentle with that. And I have something to show you. Just look at this. Look at this. These are the garlic. See that? Look at that. See that? Wow. Wow. See that? These are the garlic, roasted garlic. Look at this. So I'm going to show you what you can do with a little bit of the garlic. Yeah, so the garlic, I'm gonna put them in here. You see that? Oh, soft. They are soft. Look at that. You see how lovely that is? Look at that. And these one, look at this. Oh, look how that. See that? So with this now, I'm going to show you how you can just squeeze some of this on the side and just take this up. So there's an extra flavor. Look at this. You just squeeze him up like this. You know, squeeze him. You know, just rub some over it gently. A little bit of extra flavor in this. Stick him in there. So you know with this you have to finish it in some style. So I have some chopped parsley. So just want to drizzle some parsley over this. For these, I'm just going to clean these up. So this is the finished product, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you do enjoy this video.